Good morning, students. Please, we are continuing with trigonometry 1, basic trigonometry ratios. The basic trigonometry ratios can be defined in two ways: traditional divination and modern divination. Traditional divination. The basic trigonometry ratios can be defined in terms of the size of a right angle triangle. You can see figure V. So figure V is a right angle triangle. The longest side is the hypotenuse, that is AB is the hypotenuse, BC is opposite angle theta, and AC is adjacent, which is B. So consider figure V above. It is I'm talking about this figure V. It is a triangle ABC, which is a right angle triangle in which angle C, this angle C, is equal to 90 degrees. Angle A is equal to theta. This is angle A. That is, have BAC, and here A will give you angle theta. We define the following basic trigonometry ratios as follows, using the formula SOHCAHTOA. SOHCAHTOA, that is, SOH is opposite all over hypotenuse. That is, sine of angle theta in figure V, sine of angle theta is opposite all over hypotenuse, which is A all over R. So sine theta is A all over R. Sine cos theta is B all over R. That is adjacent all over hypotenuse, B all over R. Tan theta is A all over B, which is opposite all over adjacent. Okay, so we shall abbreviate sine of angle theta, cosine of angle theta, and tangent of angle theta as sine theta, cos theta, and tan theta respectively. In other words, sine theta is equal to A all over R, cos theta is B all over R, and tan theta is A all over B. Tan theta is equal to A all over R divided by B all over R. That is sin theta all over cos theta. Therefore, tan theta is equal to A all over R divided by B all over R. Okay, so to change this sign of division to multiplication, we reverse the sign of the second, reverse the sign, change this division to multiplication, and reverse R and B. That is, change the reciprocal of this B all over R, which will be R all over B. So you have A divided by R times R divided by B. You can see R in numerator will cancel R in denominator. So what you have left is A divided by B. Okay, therefore tan theta will give you sin theta divided by cos theta. Okay, so that is the general formula for tan theta. Okay, reciprocals of basic ratio. Cosecant of angle, that is cosecant of angle theta, is equal to R all over A, which is 1 divided by sine of angle theta. That is, cosecant is equal to 1 divided by sine of angle theta. Secant of angle theta is equal to R all over B equals to 1 all over cosine of angle theta. That is, we are taking figure V. Okay, so you are going to have secant of angle theta will be R all over B, which is 1 divided by cosine of angle theta. So cotangent of angle theta is equal to 1 all over tan theta, okay, which is B all over A. So we shall abbreviate cosecant of angle theta, secant of angle theta, and cotangent of angle theta as cosec theta, sec theta, and cot theta respectively. Thus, cosec theta cosec theta is equals to r all over a, which is equals to 1 all over sine theta. Sec theta is 1 all over cos theta, that is r all over a. Cot theta is b all over a, which equals to 1 all over tan theta. Okay, and tan theta is sine divided by cos theta. Therefore, 1 divided by tan theta will be 1 all over sine theta divided by cos theta, which is equivalent to cos theta all over sine theta. Therefore, cot theta is equals to 1 divided by tan theta and is also equals to cos theta divided by sine theta. Okay, so hence cos theta is equals to cos theta divided by tan theta. Modern divination. Alternatively, we can define the three basic ratios in terms of projections. Figure T, you can see it. Circle round, you have your coordinate y and x. Then within this your coordinate y and x, you have a right angle triangle that is being drawn here, arrow y, x. Your arrow is the hypotenuse, your y is opposite to angle theta, and x is the adjacent. So from here we define the three basic ratios in terms of arrow, x, and y as follows. Sine divided by arrow, cos theta is x divided by arrow, and tan theta equals to y divided by x. Okay, tan theta is sine theta all over cos theta. So your y is y divided by x is also equivalent to y all over arrow divided by x divided by arrow. So change the reciprocal of the division sign. Your y divided by arrow times arrow divided by x. Arrow will cancel out. What you have left is y all over x. Okay, so tan theta is y divided by x and is equals to sine theta all over cos theta. Let's look at the example 1. If sine theta is equals to 3 divided by 5, find tan theta. This is extracted from JAM question 2008. Given sine theta equals to 3 all over 5, but you know that sine theta is opposite all over hypotenuse. So you have your right angle triangle. This is your angle theta. The side opposite this angle is 3 and 5 is the hypotenuse. That is sine theta is 3 all over 5, which means opposite all over hypotenuse. So 3 is opposite angle theta and 5 is the hypotenuse. X is your adjacent. Okay, so using Pythagoras theorem, how hypotenuse square equals to opposite square plus adjacent square. That is, hypotenuse is your 5, your opposite is 3. So 5 square equals to 3 square plus x. To get your x will be 5 square minus 3 square. 5 square means 5 times 5, which is 25. 3 square means 3 times 3, which is 9. X square will be equal to 25 minus 9. 25 minus 9 will give you 16. So to get x, you square both sides, which will be x equals to square root of 16. And square root of 16 is equals to 4. So therefore, tan theta is opposite all over adjacent, which is 3 all over 4. Okay, getting your x to be 4. X is what? Adjacent. And opposite is what? 3. You have to find, in the equation, you have to find tan theta. Okay, tan theta will give you what? Opposite all over adjacent, which is 3 all over 4. 3 is opposite angle theta and x is your adjacent. So you have 3 over 4 to be your tan theta. So you succeeded in solving this problem. Sin theta equals to 3 over 5. Sin theta equals to 3 over 5, and your tan theta will be what? Opposite all over hypotenuse, which is 3 all over 4. You got in that? Let's look at problem 2, example 2. If in a right angle triangle, if tan theta is equals to 3 over 4, what is cos theta minus sin theta? Tan theta is 3 over 4. 3 over 4 means what? Opposite all over adjacent. So you draw your right angle triangle. Opposite this angle theta is 3. Adjacent is 4. Your y is the hypotenuse. You don't know it. So square of hypotenuse is equal to what? Sum of square of two sides, of which is 3 square plus 4 square. 3 square means 3 times 3, which is 9. 4 square means what? 4 times 4, which is 16. So 9 plus 16 will give you 25. To get y, you square both sides, which is square root of 25. Square root of 25 will give you what? 5. Therefore, your y, which is the hypotenuse side, will be 5. So you have gotten all the sides. Cos theta means what? Adjacent all over hypotenuse. And adjacent is what? 4 all over what? 3. 4 all over 5. I'm adjusting all over hypotenuse, 4 all over 5. Sin theta is opposite all over hypotenuse, which is 3 all over 5. Therefore, to simplify this cos theta minus sin theta, in place of cos theta, you write what? 4 all over 5. In place of sin theta, you write 3 over 5. 4 all over 5 minus 3 all over 5. They have a common denominator of 5. So 4 minus 3 is 1. 1 divided by 5. That is the simplification of cos theta minus sin theta in the question. Thank you. Let's look at another example. Okay, example 3. If tan theta equals to 3 all over 4, find the value of sin theta plus cos theta. Also, likewise, you use the same method we used the other way, the same procedure. Right angle triangle, 3 is opposite theta and 4 is the adjacent. Know that tan theta is opposite all over adjacent, so you have 3 all over 4 here. Get your s. You know what we'll do, use Pythagoras theorem. S square will be equal to 3 square plus 4 square. 3 square means 3 times 3, which is 9. 4 square means 4 times 4, which is 16. So s is equal to square root of 9 plus 16. 9 plus 16 is 25, which is 5. Square root of 25 will give you 5. S is 5, which is your hypotenuse side. So your sin theta is equal to what? Opposite all over hypotenuse, which is what? 3 all over 5. Cos theta is what? Adjacent all over hypotenuse, which is what? 4 all over 5. So sin theta plus cos theta now will be 3 all over 5 plus 4 divided by 5. They have a common denominator of 5. 3 plus 4 is 7. 7 divided by 5 is what? 1 whole number 2 all over 5. Okay, that is it. Then assignment was given to you. That one I'm going to go through it. So thank you very much.